Hey there, Mrs. Fix-It here. Today I'm going to show you how to repair a broken latch rod clip on a 2005 Chevy Silverado. Okay, so what you're looking at here is this rod comes with this little green clip here that actually inserts into that hole. It pulls that little piece to the side, moves it back and forth, which releases the tailgate. So here I've got the new piece. It was about $15 for a set of two, one left, one right, from Amazon.com. I'm told that you can get them from the parts store down the street, but this saved a little bit of time for me. I just didn't feel like going to the parts store. So now I'm going to show you how to install it. Okay, so here with the new clip, you're going to pop the neck in to the hole. You're going to insert the rod into the hole and then pop this up onto the rod. On the old piece, you can see where the neck busted, and that's the piece that actually holds the rod in place and keeps it seated. Okay, so I've got the new clip seated. I've got that blue rag in there just to keep myself from losing the part. I haven't attached the rod just yet, just because I wanted to show you how that seats. This is the final product. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to film myself doing it. It's just a tight space and I needed both hands to do it. Now, one thing that you're going to have to do is reseat the trim piece that goes around the latch. Which is retained by two pieces of adhesive. So you want to clean off the old adhesive, maybe use a little bit of Goo Gone. It did real good for me. You take the new piece of trim, line it up, remove the white tape pieces, and you are good to go. Thank you very much for watching, and I really wish you the best on your project. Thanks a lot.